Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download Discord on PC. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step, you need to search in Google Discord and open the first website, and here you need to click on download for Windows. And once it is downloaded, let me show you the file. It is here. You simply need to click on the right mouse cursor and click on open. So it will take few seconds to open the setup of Discord, and once it is open, you need to install that setup. So it is here, the setup is showing. So let's wait. So here you can see that Discord is ready to use in my PC. You simply need to click on open, and it is checking for updates. Once it is completed, you can enjoy Discord on PC. So this is a process by which you can download Discord on PC. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.